Ons kyk in hierdie les na afkortings en akronieme, abbreviations and acronyms. Now, there's two things about abbreviations and acronyms. The first thing is a couple of rules that you have to remember about them. And secondly, you basically have to go and study them and know them off by heart. So let's firstly have a look at what is important to remember about abbreviations and acronyms. Belangrik om te onthou, punte moet op die regte plekke gebruik word. Not all abbreviations get a full stop, but some of them do, and you need to know when and where to use them. For example, if we have 3 words like dit wil sê, we're going to have a point after each word. Die punt, W punt, S punt. Reg. So it's very important that you know when and where to use that punt. Reg. Dae van die week, days of the week, is die eerste 2 letters met 'n punt. Byvoorbeeld, vir maandag is dit MA met 'n punt. Die maande van die jaar, months of the year, is die eerste 3 letters met 'n punt. Byvoorbeeld, vir Februarie, FEB met 'n punt. Behalwe Maart het nie 'n afkorting nie en Mei het nie 'n afkorting nie. Maart can sometimes be abbreviated like that, MRT, but mostly it's just written out in full. Akronieme is afkortings wat as woorde uitgespreek word. Byvoorbeeld VIGS en SASOL. En ek dink hulle is in ons lysies waardeur ons gaan. Meervoude van akronieme kry 'n afkapping E of 'n afkapping S. Reg, so as ons byvoorbeeld praat van my kaart se pin en baie kaarte se pins, sien julle, dan gebruik ons die afkapping S. So verder het ek vir julle nou hier lyste gegee wat deur die hele alfabet gaan, and I want you to pause on each one of these slides. These are taken from the Afrikaans woordelys and spelreëls, and it gives you a whole lot of important abbreviations to learn and remember. And you will see which ones have to have capital letters, like Afrikaans. Just be careful because you can see that the spaces here aren't correct. That's that one. This is aantekening. That is afdeling. Afrikaans gets a capital letter. As gevolg van is one of the ones that I gave you as an example that gets the points in the middle. Antwoord, asseblief, and there weer S, Afrikaans woordelys en spelreëls. Goed. So these ones don't get full stops at all here by C. These ones over here, can you see the ones with the capital letters mostly don't get full stops? Right. Let's move on to the next slide. Once again, this one can be 2, Engels or Engeland. Reg. E-pos is the Afrikaans for email. It's elektroniese pos, so e-pos is already an abbreviation. EU is die Europese Unie. FIFA is one of the ones that can be spelled with capital letters or small letters. Reg. Hoek van is corner of, and that's one that you could use in an address for a letter, for example. Reg. Can you see once again the ones with the capital letters mostly do not get full stops. On the next page, important ones here again to note is the ones with the full stops in the middle, which is more than one word. M is the Afrikaans for Ms, the MS. Once again, you see the capital letter ones don't have full stops in between. There we go, RSVP, antwoord asseblief. So we use the same in Afrikaans as we do in English. And then this is the last page. These are all the universities. Straat in Afrikaans is with an STR. But remember, when you do the address for your writing for a letter, for example, you would rather write it out as straat. www, wêreldwye web, that's the www that we use on our internet space when we type in our URL at the top of our Google page when we're looking for something. So go through all of these abbreviations, make sure you know when and where to use them, and make sure that you use them correctly. Thank you.